आई थिंक लोग शायद आपके आउटर लुक से बहुत बार जज करते हैं, उनको लगता है पता नहीं, अच्छा ये ऐसी दिखती है, ये ऐसी है। तो मेरे साथ काफ़ी बार हुआ है, काफ़ी नहीं, ये हमेशा ही होता
हमेशा
है
ही
मेरे
होता है।
मेरे साथ। तो लोगों को पता नहीं लगता है कि अच्छा पता नहीं ये कैसी होगी, बात करेगी या नहीं। व्हाट यू हैव सेड इज़ एक्चुअली राइट, एंड आई हैव फेस दिस सिंस माई कॉलेज डेज।
ओह!
सो लोग फिर बाद में जब फिर वी बिकम फ्रेंड्स एंड देन दे टेल मी, अच्छा पहले एक्चुअली वी वर स्केर्ड ऑफ यू टू अप्रोच या बात जाके बात भी
बात
करो।
करने में।
बट वो मुझे आज तक मैं फिगर आउट नहीं कर पाई कि ऐसा क्यों होता है। आई एम अ सिंपल पर्सन,
या
वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, ग्राउंडेड, मतलब आई एम अ वेरी नॉर्मल पर्सन।
Yeah, and I can vouch for that. So I'll give a context to the viewers here कि मैं निवेदिता से बैंगलोर में मिला था, where we shared
या
a stage together. You were invited as a speaker, I was invited as a speaker.
यस
And that is when we spoke for the first time. और
राइट।
honestly मैं भी डरा था, just like everyone. But you
I
know,
was quite surprised जब
yeah,
बोला तुमने कि I thought why, I mean, see
yeah,
actually the thing was वहाँ पे the event was on, we all were like
yeah,
waiting for the panel, and then एक होता है ना, we did not get a chance or a time to interact much. So when you were speaking about your life, I was really touched. I mean, needs a lot of courage what you have done and where are you today. So it was inspiring. Then मैंने सोचा, by God, okay, let me just talk to you. So when you came down, I felt like telling you that yes.
there is a line that I would love to share here, which I've learned and it has stayed with me is that speak and I shall know you.
Yeah, exactly.
And when you spoke, when you also went on the stage, and then I realized, acha, Nivedita actually मैं कौन है? See what happens is कि ज़माने ने हमें सिखाया to typecast people based on looks, and you start doing it
Absolutely.
subconsciously.
Exactly.
You might see somebody wearing Jordans, you might see somebody wearing
हाँ,
some brand,
correct.
and you would think, अच्छा
अच्छा
ये सोबो
ये
crowd है,
हाँ
अच्छा
हाँ
ये
yeah,
crowd है,
true. Actually वो human nature है
human
थोड़ा.
nature है,
Yeah.
and you can't stop judging. You can judge
Yes,
less.
we cannot.
Judge less. That is a
True.
practice that we can develop. And to set a context to this whole podcast is that you have won titles, you have won crowns. Now you are building a startup of yourself, which is Nupi by Nivedita, right?
Yes.
And this is like a butterfly thing to me. It's like you're spreading your wings, and this is all coming from that same humble girl coming from this is coming from that same humble girl from Northeast, trying to bring that tradition to globe, not just
Right.
India. I love the word that globe you have
Yes.
mentioned everywhere, that I want to spread it out to the globe,
Correct.
right? तो इससे पहले कि लोग ये जाने कि आज निवेदिता कौन है, I want to go back to little bit of your roots, like how were you as a child and how was your upbringing?
So I was born in a small, I would not say small town, it's a big town, which is in Assam, Dibrugarh. So I was born there and brought up in many cities because my father had a transferable job. तो हम लोग काफ़ी सारे cities घूम के, I mean different schools and all. So एक multicultural क्या बोलूँ, diversity में मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. Yeah, I mean it was a mix of culture. Though I am Manipuri, लेकिन we are born and brought up in Assam. So वो influence बहुत रहा है. Assamese influence. या फिर I have got a lot of friends there because different school, Bengali, Assamese, Marwari. So बहुत mixed culture में मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ. So इसीलिए I think मेरा वो thought process भी ना broad हो गया. It is not limited. And yeah, growing up in different cities has taught me a lot of things. एक तो अपने आप को कैसे ढालना है, अपने आप को कैसे एडजस्ट करना है, आई थिंक वो चीज़ बचपन से ही मेरे अंदर थी. सो एनीवेयर एवरीवेयर आई गो ना, आई कैन से कि ना मैं शायद ढल सकती हूँ उसी हिसाब से, उसी जगह से. सो दैट्स हाउ I grew up, and then lastly I think Guwahati में we are now settled, my parents are settled there, so I did my studies there. फिर वहाँ से मैंने अपनी करियर शुरू की, and yeah, that's how it is.
So the reason I'm asking is ki that sets a context that you were already adaptable in a way because you were growing into multiple diverse places
Correct.
in that way. And बहुत बार क्या होता है especially with females is that after marriage they feel very lost because गायब हो जाती है self image
Right.
कहीं ना कहीं,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
है ना?
I agree to that.
and I feel in your case you have established both. I think one of the proudest achievements that you have after your marriage when
Right.
people feel totally lost.
Correct.
Like how did you, like what was your urge कि यार मुझे ये करना है, like what was that calling?
See, when I was in college, not college, I think school में जब मैं थी ना तो पता नहीं something was inside me जो शायद मैं बहुत बाद में मैंने realize किया. Something was inside me to do something. You won't believe I was in 12th standard. पता है पहले न्यूज़पेपर में आते थे वो जॉब के जॉब वेकेंसीज आते थे, राइट? सो पता नहीं आई यूज टू ओपन पेपर एवरी डे, वो जॉब वेकेंसीज देखती थी. आई वांटेड टू वर्क. पता नहीं हाउ इट केम टू मी बट आई वांटेड टू वर्क. मैं कुछ करना चाहती थी लेकिन है ना उस टाइम पे आई थिंक थिंग्स वर डिफरेंट, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ भी कम थी, इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था. सो इट वॉज माई मेरे मैं कैसे बोलूँ, आई थिंक मेरी खुद की एक लड़ाई थी खुद के साथ कि मैं कैसे इसको डिस्कवर करूँ, कैसे क्या करूँ. तो बहुत कुछ चीज़ें ऐसे मैं खुद ही सीखती रहती थी, देखती रहती थी. सो मुझे बड़ा मन था कि मुझे ना जॉब करना है जो भी हो. लाइक आई डिड नॉट थिंक ऑफ कि अच्छा मुझे स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट करना है देन फर्दर स्टडीज़, बट समथिंग वॉज वर्किंग इनसाइड मी. तो वो सब चीज़ भी चला बट एनीवेज आई हैड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन माई स्टडीज़. So I was doing that and I completed my studies. I think during a break, हमारे एक senior थे college में. So he came up with this thing. उस वक्त Reliance का North East में सिर्फ ये prepaid SIMs चलते थे.
Okay.
Due to security reasons. So अभी क्या हुआ, government ने उसको postpaid में conversion के लिए there was something, I mean, through government, whatever it was that time. So वो conversion के लिए ना this Reliance was converting all the prepaid numbers into postpaid.
So they needed manpower for that.
Yes. And हमारी break चल रही थी. So my senior, we had a very big gang, girl gang in our college.
Got it.
So we were like around 15 girls. So he came and he told us like, are you all interested? ऐसा ऐसा है, you have to just sit down and documentations आपको करना है, you just need to check the documents and stuff like that.
Verification basically.
Verification, yeah. And then you will get a stipend of maybe around 3,500 या कुछ ऐसा था, ठीक है? If I don't remember exactly.
And what year was this, if you remember?
Yeah, that's what, 3,500 in 2003 or 4 probably.
Oh wow.
ठीक है, तो उस टाइम पे 3,500 was a good amount of money,
it was
right?
decent, yeah.
So क्योंकि वो urge था मेरे अंदर काम करने का, so I said कोई जाए नहीं जाए, I'm on. तो फिर मैं वैसे गई वहाँ पे. It was like 15 days का कुछ था, so I was there and yeah, it was a good experience. I was thoroughly enjoying that phase, and yes, at the same time I was learning. बहुत कुछ चीज़ें भी सीखने को मिली. So that's how it started. And उसके बाद फिर I completed my studies and then I started applying. मतलब उस टाइम पे और एक चीज़ जो मेरे अंदर थी, I wanted to do modeling.
Okay.
ठीक है. So नॉर्थ ईस्ट में ना काफ़ी ऐसे सारे छोटे मोटे ऐसे पेजेंट्स हुआ करती थी. मिस लुइट एंड देन मिस ब्रह्मपुत्र, मिस नॉर्थ ईस्ट ऐसे. सो मुझे कहीं से पता चला देयर इज़ मिस लुइट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन एंड ऑडिशंस चल रही है उसकी. सो मैं ना ऐसे ही चली गई, लिटरली नो इन्फॉर्मेशन, कोई प्रेप नहीं, नथिंग. आई जस्ट वॉकड इन. And then the organizer was there and I had a word with them and they said, okay, the prelims are there, you can come for that. So मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है. So I went for the prelims and वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा walk हुआ, then there was some question and answer round and you won't believe I got selected.
Oh wow.
ठीक है, I got selected and they were like, the organizer was literally after me. There's this lady, she's quite a popular lady that time. I mean, ये modeling world में जिसका मुझे ज़ीरो आइडिया था, कुछ आइडिया नहीं था. And then, but that could not happen unfortunately, because at the same time I applied for job. I mean, I was done with my studies and all, and I applied for a job. And उसी वक्त Indigo का मेरे पास appointment letter was in my hand. So now I have to choose between both. So I was quite confused. मैं सोची कि अब क्या करूँ मैं? And I had to leave for Delhi. क्योंकि there was a launch date and we have to be there. So मैं इस तरफ चली गई and that's how वो modeling वाला चीज़ रह गया. उसके बाद मैंने फिर कभी सोचा नहीं, पता नहीं दिमाग में नहीं आया कि I should do that again at some point of my life. उसके बाद फिर I continued with my job and then फिर शादी.
So if I can pause you here, what was your age back then, this point of time in your life?
I was, I think, around 20.
Around 20. And you had an option to either go into this modeling side of the world,
correct.
and go to the aviation side of the world. And you chose aviation at that point of time.
Yeah.
Any particular reason why?
No, nothing. I also wanted to work, I wanted to get into airlines. वो एक होता ना उस टाइम पे वो glamour and everything. So मुझे I think मुझे वो ज़्यादा better लगा than modeling. Modeling was just for me, ठीक है चलो, I can just give it a try. It was like that. So maybe मुझे ज़्यादा स्टेबिलिटी के लिए मोस्ट प्रोबेबली यू कैन से लाइक दैट. लेकिन उस टाइम पे इतना भी मैं इतना डीपली भी मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि स्टेबिलिटी वाइज. और बट देन आई जस्ट वेंट विद द फ्लो. जो भी आया मेरे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी, आई ग्रैब्ड इट एंड आई थिंक.
So you felt like the life here would be better, like वो जो aviation side of the lifestyle was there, that would be better.
Yes, definitely I would say. मैंने मॉडलिंग को कभी करियर के हिसाब से नहीं देखा था, ठीक है. सो येस, एविएशन यू कैन से आई हैव सीन दैट कि आगे जाके मुझे उसमें करियर बनाना है. सो आई थिंक वो चीज़ थी दिमाग में, तो इसीलिए मैं उस तरफ खिंचाव मेरा ज़्यादा था.
थैंक यू सो मच इस क्लिप को एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको ऐसी ही इंटरेस्टिंग एंड वैल्यू एडिंग क्लिप्स देखनी है, देन ड्रीम विद नीरज क्लिप्स को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. अंटिल देन कीप ड्रीमिंग. I'll see you in the next one.